Good morning, everyone. Well, it's the day after rain all day yesterday, all night. I don't know what time it stopped, or sometime early this morning, but we got the rain. Let me show you what it's like around here, the puddles. All right, so we got some puddles, but no little streams. That has gone away already. So yeah, it usually disappears pretty quick. Puddle over there. Not bad. Everything's wet, but no big puddles or anything like that. Well, I haven't gone over to a wash yet. Soft, squishy, brown. What's this? Well, it's not so soft anymore. Yeah. Look at. Okay, this is west. And then, oops. This is east. Looks like it's going to be a nice day today. It's supposed to warm up. Oh, that's flying again. I guess he takes people for rides for about $50. I'm gonna have to find him. I really want to go up there this year. All right, let's take a look inside. We just need to check the ground in there. Okay, now keep in mind, everything that's in here is not all mine, okay? I only have a few chairs, but we piled everything in here yesterday. Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. Remember, it's not all mine. Oop. Okay. Got a little muddy. Some little puddles. Oh, nope, just mud. Puddles have seemed to disappear. I guess I just have to let this dry out and then sweep it. Yeah, I had to bring the box in for this tent. I didn't want it to get destroyed because I'm going to put it all in there, strap it to the top of the van. Okay, remember, it's not all mine. All right, pulled the tarps off, the wood. Let these get dried out, fold it up, and then get them put away back in their bin where they belong. And then see, I got the chairs out. And then this is looking a lot better. Got to clean off that table. Actually, I got to clean this whole thing today. Get ready for the party tomorrow. Remember, potluck tomorrow, 2 p.m. All right. I went into town riding my bike and going down Old Yuma Road. This is one of the big puddles. This is not even a wash. It's just a puddle in the road. And I'm going to have to check my backside because I've gone through a couple little puddles. I just hope I don't have a streak of mud going up the middle. I don't know. I have to wait and see. Alright, just got back to camp. Do I have any skid marks? Hope not. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.